Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is January 28th, 2025, and I'm here to give you the latest insights on the stock market. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the S&P 500. We saw a slight dip of 0.3% today, closing at 4,500 points. This movement was largely influenced by tech stocks, which have been under pressure due to continued concerns about interest rate hikes. Investors are cautious as the Federal Reserve hinted at another potential rate increase in their upcoming meeting. Speaking of tech, let's focus on some of the big players. Apple dropped by 1.2%, settling at $150 per share. Despite a recent string of positive earnings reports, the stock is facing selling pressure as investors are cashing in on profits. On the other hand, Tesla saw a 0.5% gain today, closing at $800 per share, thanks to strong sales reports from their new electric truck line. Moving on to the financial sector, banks had a mixed day. JP Morgan Chase climbed 0.6% to $135 per share, bolstered by strong quarterly earnings that beat analyst expectations. Meanwhile, Bank of America dipped by 0.4%, closing at $30 per share, as concerns about loan defaults continue to weigh on the stock. Now let's shift our focus to the energy sector. Oil prices continue to rise, with Brent crude hitting $90 per barrel, the highest we've seen in 2 years. This has positively impacted energy stocks, with ExxonMobil up by 1.5%, closing at $85 per share. Investors are optimistic due to increased global demand and restricted supply. In the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin is holding steady at $35,000. There's been a lot of volatility recently, but today we've seen some stabilization. Investors are watching the market closely as regulatory discussions continue to unfold. Lastly, let's talk about some market movers. Rivian, the electric vehicle manufacturer, saw a significant jump of 3%, closing at $25 per share. This comes after announcing a major partnership with Amazon for their delivery fleet. On the flip side, Peloton dropped by 2%, closing at $15 per share, as the company struggles with declining subscriber growth. So what does this all mean for you as an investor? It's clear that the market is reacting to a mix of earnings reports, economic indicators, and sector-specific news. Diversification remains key in these uncertain times. Keep an eye on sectors like tech and energy, where we're seeing significant movements. That's it for today's stock market insights. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.